Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, you join me and Juliet up at Hull and we're at Swift, aren't we?
We are, and we've come up to look at specifically the new Sprites because they've changed them.
Yeah, 2026, a new Sprite, and we're back to basics, I understand. But we're going to show you a few in pictures, a few of the Swifts that are here, and we'll do a proper in-depth review of the new Sprite coming up soon. So let's take a look around Swift. Well folks, that was the Swift live event from Hull at the Swift factory. We enjoyed it. I was going to do this video with Juliet, unfortunately she can't be with us today, but it was that busy with people coming in and out of the caravans and toing and froing, it made it a lot difficult for us to actually conclude the video together. So you've just got me, I'm afraid. Did I enjoy it? Yeah, I did. If you like caravans, motorhomes and camper vans, you're going to like it. It's a really good idea. But I like the fact that it's just Swift alone and you're not got the competitors there. It's just their products. They're showing you what they're presenting for the next year. And it gives you a chance to talk to the staff as well and have a chat about the new features perhaps. Now, with the Sprite, I know some people are going, I'm not sure about it yet, but personally, I think it's really good. But I will be doing a full review and a mini review on the new Sprite. We are going to the October show, Juliet and I, and we've been invited on the Swift stand. So we're really thrilled about that. And we have a special themed video coming up for October at the show, which we're really looking forward to taking the challenge because it is a challenge. But I'd like to thank you all for dropping by and watching this little video. Maybe next year it's something you might want to consider going to do. It's great. I enjoyed it. Fantastic. Truma were there with a new boiler as well, by the way, and I enjoyed that as well. I like it. 12 minutes to heat up, constant hot water. What's not to dislike about that? Well, folks, that's it. On behalf of Juliet, who's not here, and myself, thank you very much for watching. Do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.